want to start by thanking the folks that I all recognize that are here. My name is Thom Page. I'm a lawyer, and I do a lot of animal rights litigation work, as a lot of people know. My partner, Richard Rosenthal, and I brought a suit against NYC ACC a few years ago on the conditions of the shelters. And as you well know, Risa Weinstock has told us all that 95% of all the animals who enter these shelters contract kennel cough. Most of them get pneumonia, and they die if they're not killed on the daily kill list that we're all here to protest about today. And I thank you all for being here to do that. I just wanted to tell you a little bit. Richard and I were in court about 2 months ago, and we represent a small little Havanese dog, and that Havanese dog was attacked by a large mixed breed animal that wasn't being controlled by its owner, which there are a lot of. Most people think that Richard and I only represent pit bulls, but we also represent the small little dogs as well. And we were able to get a judge in the city of New York to allow us to bring what we call a private right of action for animal abuse against an irresponsible dog owner, and able to do that not at a DOH kangaroo court hearing, but actually in the Supreme Court in New York, which is the trial court level in New York. And the import of that is that we are finally getting an ability to stand up for dogs in a courtroom as opposed to a DOH hearing room. And it is a world of difference. And the rights of the owners and the rights of the dogs are much more able to be represented when we're in a courtroom and we're with a judge, and we've got due process, and we've got the rules and the laws that we expect and that we have in every other area of our lives. So we're still litigating the case, but it was extremely important to try, and as a lot of people here are not happy with the Department of Health, and as litigators, animal rights litigators, we certainly are not happy because we don't get the constitutional protections that we otherwise get when we're in a regular courtroom. And so having animal abuse, having citizens be able to bring animal abuse cases against primarily owners of irresponsible dogs who do harm allows all animals to get the same protection and be in that courtroom. And so that was our larger impetus and effort, and we will continue to bring these actions and to get more of these cases out of the Department of Health and into the Supreme Court, which is the trial courts in the city, so throughout the state. But again, I know a lot of you, and I came down from Connecticut today, and you know, there's a woman from Holland who's here, who comes here every time we have a rally, and there she is over there, telling somebody, and she lifts my spirits. All of you do, and thank you very much.